Hi guys, welcome back to the Art by Shomajit. So today I'll show you this drawing. It will be a scenery of a mountain and rainbow and a river also. So let's start. So first you need a pencil to draw the sketch. So first I'm drawing a horizontal line on the middle of the page. Then I will draw a curved line on this part. So do it. Then it will be another curve, like not a proper curve, it will be a slanting type line but not proper slanting. Okay, now the next part on the bottom of the page, it will be a same curve on the bottom. So we did three curves. Now I will draw a tree here. So first I'm drawing the trunk of the tree. So do it guys, it is very easy for you, I know. So then I'm doing the second tree. So it will be the first trunk. Then now I'm drawing the mountain. It will be a slanting line for the mountain. If you want, you can pause the video and go through it. So after that mountain I did the bush. Now I'm doing the rainbow. So for the rainbow, first you have to draw the curve. Then I'm drawing the sixth line inside it. So do it. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and also share with your friends. So after that rainbow, now I'm drawing a sun over here. So it will be a sun. You have to draw a circle for the sun. Okay, I did also clouds. So it's very easy, the clouds drawing. Now I'm doing a oval shape here for a cutter tree. So it will be the cutter tree. Yes, okay, sorry, I did a mistake here. It will be perfect. Yes, so you have to draw the cutter tree trunk like this. Now I'm erasing the inside line of that cutter tree, also this both the trees. Okay, so you can add these circles inside that part and also add these lines over there. So now I'm doing the grasses over here, so you can pause the video here also and go through it. It will be very easy. Okay, after the sketch, I'm applying the marker on the drawing. So you can follow the drawing and you have to apply the marker on all the lines which you have drawn. So do it. Okay, so we are done with the marker. Now we are going to take the light blue for the sky. Okay, I am using oil pastel. You can also use the crayons, but oil pastel is better than crayons. Okay, so after the mountain, I took lemon yellow for the sun and the trees, and I will also apply it on the mountain. And I'm using the lemon yellow for the shading of this full drawing. So now I took light green. You can now follow it where I'm applying the light green. After the light green, I will take the dark green for the third shading of this drawing. Okay, after all these green parts, I'll take the dark green and I'll apply it on the mountain. So you have to apply it like this on the mountain and also on the second and the third mountain, and then I will show you how to apply it on the trees and the ground. Please follow the video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends, and don't forget to do the like and comment. Please do the comment on the comment box. After the dark green, I took the light green and I also applied it on the dark green parts. So follow this part, it is very important for the shading. Okay, then I also took the dark green for the tree. Now I will take the light green and I will also apply it on the tree. So it will be the light green I am applying, so do follow it. Okay, After this part, I took Prussian blue for the lower part of this tree. I applied it on the bottom of the tree. So after that tree, I am applying it on the bushes. Then after this color, I will take dark green for the bush, and you have to apply the dark green on the top of the bush. Okay, after the dark green, I will take brown for the trunk of the tree and this river bank side. Okay, so applied brown on the tree, and now I'm applying on this part. So after that brown, I also took dark green for the shading of this ground. So it is very easy, just apply it like this. Okay, for the river, first color will be cobalt blue, and follow it where I'm applying this color. After the cobalt blue, I will take Prussian blue. So this is the Prussian blue, and you have to apply it on this part of the drawing. So after the Prussian blue, I will take light blue, and the light blue will be on the entire river. Then you have to apply the light blue like this. River. After the river, I will take light brown for this cottage tree. So I'm applying the light brown on this part of the tree. So do it like this, then it will be normal brown for the rest of the part. And after that brown, I will take light brown and I will apply it on the tree again. So you have to do it like this. Okay, after this part, I forgot to apply the dark green on this grasses. So if you want, you can do it on the first, and if you forget that, like me, you can apply it now on this part of the grass and the ground. Okay. Now after this part, I will take orange for the sun, and I will apply it on the sun for the shading, and then you can take the yellow again and also apply it on the sun. Okay, first you need to take red for the rainbow, then it will be orange, so you have to fill the color like this, then it will be yellow, and the fourth color will be light green, and then it will be sky blue, then it will be indigo, or you can use Prussian blue, and the last color will be purple or violet. So now we are done.